I mean, it's rent. It's another rent.
You have to drive in and be there by a certain time to get a certain rate and like stay there for a certain amount of hours, and then heaven forbid there isn't any parking. Although that isn't an issue these days because a lot of people are working from home, but oh my God.
Also mass transit. We've got good mass transit.
We do, but getting that parking space is solid gold. All right, parking space podcast over. Please
anyway,
continue.
if you have $100,000, the space is yours. So last week everyone freaked out because the pumpkin spice latte was back at Starbucks, and I'm okay with it after Labor Day. Can we just wait till after Labor Day for fall things? Because when it's 90 degrees out, I don't feel like having a hot PSL.
Yeah, but you're the same person yesterday when we had the debate as to whether or not producer Jason should put Halloween decorations out in front of his house. You said no problem.
Yeah, because it's after Labor Day. I said PSL is okay after Labor Day.
Oh, Labor Day.
But
last week was bad?
Yes.
Okay.
You got at least give me till after Labor Day. You know, it's like everybody starts celebrating Christmas before Halloween's over. I'm like, don't skip Thanksgiving. Anywho, back to pumpkin spice lattes. That market has grown to 278.5 coffee. We've got pumpkin spice ramen, which I love ramen. I don't know how I feel about that. Maybe it's a salty and sweet.
Not sure.
Hard seltzers.
Okay.
Pumpkin spice scented face masks. I thought that was a joke. Toilet paper. I think you're gonna ruin your PSL if you're smelling it while you're using the restroom.
It's gonna.
Reminds me of the time I was in the toilet.
Okay.
Just saying.
So pumpkin spice ramen coming back this year. Hey, there it is. You know what else? Thank God they waited for after Labor Day for. There is a DJ online who did a mashup with Green Day and something I want you to identify. Just bear with me for. I'm gonna give it a second to kick in.
Falling from the stars, drenched in my pain again, becoming away. My memory.
I know it is.
Here it comes.
Never forgets what I lost. Wake me up when September.
Here we go. Mariah Carey. That's the weirdest mashup I've ever heard.
Kevin.
Some DJ by the name of DJ Cumberland. Now, you're either dancing in your car or throwing up. There is no in between.
Kind of dance and throw up.
Right? So that's out there right now. Football season is back.
Yes.
This is big. NFL season kicks off tonight. Buffalo taking on the world champion LA Rams. Let's see. So the Raiders are going to be playing the Chargers. Game time on that is going to be 1:25 on Sunday. That is going to be in Los Angeles. And then Niner fans going to have to wait till Sunday as well as the Bears in Chicago. Kickoff on that game is 10 a.m. Let's go.
Catch what's trending every weekday morning on the 50s. That's at 6:50 and 8:50 a.m.
And connect now with the Marcus and Corey socials and blogs. That's at 1013.com.
We're going to get into a second date update here in a couple of minutes. It's daily. It's our most popular feature. It's on the way at 7:05.
I want to be real.
Disney's Pinocchio, now streaming on Disney+.
Thursday morning, sunny and clear. More of the same this afternoon. Heat advisory continues, so stay cool. 70s to low 100s.
This report is sponsored by Indeed.com. Summer is winding down, but business needs keep ramping up. Check out Indeed, the all-in-one hiring solution that helps you attract, interview, and hire candidates. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
It's Marcus from the Marcus and Corey Morning Show. Did you know that the new Galaxy Fold 4 in flex mode and do more at once while tuning into a call or watching a video? With the incredible multi-window view, you can use up to 3 apps at the same time, making it easier to check things off your to-do list. And don't worry about sacrificing screen on the go. Z Fold 4 is built with an expansive, foldable screen that gives you a viewing experience from virtually anywhere. Visit Samsung.com today to order your Galaxy Z Fold 4.
Create the home of your dreams and enjoy the biggest savings during the Living Spaces Labor Day event. The latest styles and free next day shipping brings them to you fast.
It's time to refresh your living room, elevate your dining room, make over your bedroom, and bring personality everywhere. Plus, get special financing for 60 months on any purchase with your good credit. Celebrate the start of a new season only at the Living Spaces Labor Day event.
Living Spaces.
Of course I use Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to clean tough messes off my stovetop and bathtub. But then I discovered I can also use it to easily clean my patio furniture and even my shoes. I'm hooked.
And when wipes won't cut it, I use Magic Eraser Sheets. They're thin and flexible erasers, perfect for every... Thanks. They really are magical.
The reviews are in. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and Sheet.
Oakland Paranormal Circus here. Are you ready for a wicked night under our big top? September 8th through 12th, across from Oakland Arena. A paranormal fusion between nightmares and fantasy. Of sexy, horror, cabaret, and more. Intrigue yet? Get $5 off with promo code WICKED. Visit ParanormalCirc.com.
Sneakers, you always regret it. Soon everything starts to hurt. Your feet, your ankles, your knees. And that part of you thought was still young, it hurts too. Don't have the same regret with roadside assistance. Join AAA, America's most recommended roadside service with the highest customer satisfaction. Become a member for as little as $5 a month at AAA.com. AAA, outsmart life.
Finding great candidates to hire. Trying to find a needle in a haystack. Sure, you can post your job to some job board, but then all you can do is hope the right person comes along, which is why you should try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter doesn't depend on candidates finding you. It finds them for you. Its powerful technology identifies people with the right experience and actively invites them to apply to your job. You get qualified candidates fast. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, looking for the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job in ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. And right now you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. That's ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter.com/radio.
Safer from extreme heat. Stay cool indoors, stay hydrated, and stay connected to family and friends, especially those who are elderly or have a health condition. Finally, stay informed and find a cooling center by visiting caloes.ca.gov. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health.
Hey, Becky, what about this beat for your next song?
It's cool. Like Xfinity that gives beyond gig speeds.
Got it. What about this then?
It sounds powerful. I have 3 times the bandwidth. You can connect hundreds of devices at once.
That's what I call power.
Unbeatable internet from Xfinity. Made to do anything so you can do anything.
Get the Xfinity Supersonic Bundle with unlimited gig speed internet, Wi-Fi equipment included, and a free streaming box. All for $50 a month with a 2-year internet rate guarantee and no annual contract when you go to Xfinity.com/gig, call 1-800-XFINITY, or visit a store today. Limited time offer. Restrictions apply. Requires paperless billing and autopay. New gigabit extra internet customers only. Taxes and fees extra and subject to change. Xfinity Mobile requires post-pay Xfinity internet. Reduced speeds after 20 gigabytes wireless usage. Supply. Requires compatible Xfinity gateway.
For more information on contests on this station, go to 1013.com/rules.
Don't miss our Labor Day sales event at DGDG.
Scream for a hit of iHeartRadio's Weekends to Die For. You can win a VIP trip to Toronto to hang with The Weeknd backstage and watch the final show of his tour. Then you'll experience Universal's Halloween Horror Nights to Hollywood or Orlando, where you'll enter the twisted mind of The Weeknd as he stalks The Weeknd's after-hours nightmare haunted house. Scream for The Weeknd. Then scream. Experience you can only win from. Enter for your chance to win now at iHeartRadio.com/. crush the weekend.
This traffic report brought to you by Caltrans.
Star 1013 Bay Area traffic.
Traffic is brought to you by Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. In Vallejo, there is an accident. The right lane is blocked. There's 2 separate crashes on the right shoulder. 37 eastbound before 29. San Mateo Hills, there is an accident. It involves 2 cars. Traffic's This one is 92 eastbound before Laurel 35. Galaxy Z Fold 4 is here to change the way you get things done. Now you can browse social media while tuning into a video call, and with the expansive foldable screen, you can use up to 3 apps at the same time. Visit Samsung.com today to order your Galaxy Fold 4.
KIOI FM, San Francisco, San Jose.
Star 1013 everywhere in our free iHeartRadio app. #1 for music, radio, and podcasts all in one.
Walking in my Balenciennes, trying to bring out the fabulous. Cause I give a fuck, wait so much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel right now. Oh, been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. Oh, not the girl I was or used to be. Try my turn up the music, turn down the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright, okay, alright. It's about damn time. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay, alright. It's about damn time. Cause you know what time it is. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. I'm coming out tonight. Okay. Alright. It's about that time. I'm coming out tonight. 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 It's about damn time.
Variety for the 2000s, the 90s, and today it's Star 1013. It's Marcus and Corey. You know what time it is. This is Second Date Update, everybody.
Time for Second Date Update.
Yes.
We do a deep dive into why a first date has not led to a second date.
So, Dean's on the phone. You had a day. And from your perspective, everything worked out?
Yeah, I mean, we met for lunch. You know, we